Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for watching. Today I am doing something completely different from what I've ever done on my channel. I am doing a prep with me video for summertime. I went down a rabbit hole last night. Probably watched like 30 prep with me for vacation videos. And so I was like, I'm gonna do one today and kind of just share like my workout routine. I'll kind of explain a little bit more about that when I'm actually doing it. What I eat, skincare, all that kind of stuff with you guys in today's video. Also, makeup free. It feels so weird to just be makeup free on YouTube, but my skin needed a breather today. So if you're new here, make sure to go below and click the subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys join the fam. This is more of like a vlog style video, and I actually have a vlog channel, so I will link that in the description bar below for you guys. But let's go ahead and get started. I have a lot of things that I do on the daily that I can't wait to share with you guys. Starting out my morning the best way possible. Morning coffee. This is something that obviously I do every single day to function like a normal human being. My husband and I do the pour over style because, well, a couple reasons. One, it's so easy to clean and like you can't really truly clean a coffee pot. And two, the coffee tastes 4,000,000 times better. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend it. It's easy. It does take a little bit longer than regular coffee just because you actually have to make it yourself, but not super long, like 5 to 7 minutes. I'll have everything linked below for you guys. 10 out of 10. Recommend trying it. My favorite way to actually start the day is with Bible study. I'm currently reading the Bible recap, which helps you really understand the Bible. You can read the whole Bible in 1 year. And I'm currently on Leviticus, so I'm having to put my AirPods in and listen to it because I'm a very visual person. And I find that Leviticus is actually a very hard book to read. It's got a lot of like details in it that are hard to visualize because it talks a lot about like sacrifice and the fat and put a ring on this toe, and it's a lot to kind of take. And so I find that listening to it on the Holy Bible app has actually helped me understand it a lot. And while I am listening to that, I'm usually making breakfast. This is the Clean Eats Big Steak Omelet. It is so delicious. I think it's only like 360 calories or something like that. 10 out of 10, recommend it. All right, friends, so I feel like you can't even see my face. That arm workout wasn't brutal, but it was definitely rough. And like at the end, I really kicked it up a notch. I'm like really out of breath. But a couple things that I've been doing now to really get myself ready for summer is I work out 5 days a week, rest 2 days a week. I do Orange Theory and Sweat, and I don't record myself doing either because you have to pay for those workouts. You have to pay for the Sweat app. You have to pay for an Orange Theory subscription. And honestly, they're so different each time. And so that'd be like me buying someone's like online course and then turning around, filming a video and sharing all their information. Like they made that, you know, you have to buy it from them. I am drinking 90 ounces of water a day at least. That's something I've been doing a lot because I've just started like sweating a lot more now that it's hot outside. I was pretty good about drinking like anywhere from 60 to 90 before, but the last couple months when it's really gotten hot and I like have walked more, I know I just like, I can feel that my body needs more water. So I've been drinking 90 ounces of water at least every day. And what you just saw, so I'm on my lunch break now. I work out, the sweat workouts are only 30 minutes. So I work out for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go on a quick walk for about 15, come in, quickly shower off, and then finish up my work day. I'm not sharing all my work that I'm doing because like that's not what this video is about. This video is about prepping for summer, which is fun and you don't wanna think about work. So then tonight I'm going to like really shower, do my hair mask because today's hair wash day, shave, exfoliate, and then self tan. So I'm gonna get going on this walk because I'm running out of time. You wanna walk with me? Come on. You wanna walk with me, Maddie? You cutie patootie. Come here. Come here, you silly little, oh, you think I'm gonna pick you up and take you inside. That's what it is. You don't wanna go inside. You're not about that life.
Yes, you are. You have a bow in your hair. You ain't fooling nobody.
After I get done with my workout and my walk, I am drinking either a protein shake or a smoothie every day. One of my friends actually talked me into trying the 310 protein shake, and it is so delicious. Today I used 12 ounces of oat milk. I used 1 scoop of the chocolate powder, and then I also put 1 banana in there. It took like less than 3 minutes to put together, and it was so filling and really delicious. I think it was like 360 calories and 15 grams of protein from the protein shake alone. Okay, so I have now showered, I have eaten a couple snacks, and it is actually the end of the workday. My husband is getting ready to go ride his bike. That's his like exercise choice, and I wanted to talk to you guys about a couple things. So the workouts I do, I also like to eat really lightweight snacks. That's something that the older I've gotten, the more I just find like I would eat 100 times a day if they were like 7-calorie snacks rather than like 3 times and then be all the calories I can consume. Like, I am a snacker. And so today I had popcorn Indiana, like the dark chocolate popcorn, as a little sweet treat. I had kale chips that I made in the air fryer, really easy. Literally, you put them in the air fryer, 370 for like 5 minutes, and they are so delicious. Those are really good for you. The smoothie. I have a lot of like snacks and stuff that I share on my Instagram, and even like smoothies and stuff. We do those on our vlog channel a lot. So I do share a lot of like that kind of content. I don't really share it here because this is a fashion channel, but lightweight snacks are kind of like my go-to because I can just eat a lot of them. So that's kind of what I've been doing today. And then tonight for dinner, we're going to do the Clean Eats meal. That's just something we've been trying this week. It's brand new to us. I'll link Clean Eats in the description bar below for you guys. You're gonna have to check and see if they have one near you, but it's basically just like meal planning and like meal prep, but they do it for you. So like every week on Thursday, I believe, Thursday or Friday, you get an email. They tell you what their meals are for that week, and then you place your order, pick it up on Sunday or Monday, unless you have like a special request, and then you pick it up on Tuesday. So we have 21 meals this week, so that's what we're doing. First time we've done this, and I really like it so far. So usually during the summer, I like to have pretty lightweight makeup, but again, I wanted to give my skin a breather. I have some like ridiculous breakouts right now, but also I feel like my rosacea does get a little bit more inflamed during the summertime just because it is a little bit hotter outside. I'm sweating, and anything that kind of really irritates my skin does make my rosacea show up a little bit more. I really like the Tula tinted moisturizer for days when I'm not wearing like any makeup, but I am going out, which I probably should have put on today because I'm filming, but we're all fam here. I don't care if you guys see me without makeup. It's not the end of the world. I also always put on an SPF because it is so important to protect your skin from the sun. I preach that so much on my channel. I'm like a crazy person about, like, I don't even like to go to the mailbox without a hat on or something. For my hair wash days, this is actually something I have just recently been able to finally get my hair on a really good schedule, and I'm not having to go, okay, so am I gonna wash my hair in 3 days and then I'm gonna wash it again in 4 days? Even during the summer, and I get this question all the time, how do you go only a couple times a week washing your hair when you work out and it's hot outside? So I wash my hair on Sundays and Wednesdays. That's it. 2 times a week. Training your hair is probably one of the least fun things in the world to do. And once you do it, you will not get off of those days. Like, you will be like, no, nope, can't do it because like I have to wash my hair that day, or nope, can't do it because I can't get my hair wet. Like, I refuse to mess up my schedule because training your hair is just that. You literally just like don't wash it. So you decide, maybe start out, because I used to wash my hair like every day or every other day, which I don't even know how I did that. Basically, I would just stop washing it, and I would say, okay, every 3 days I'm gonna wash my hair. And I would wear hats, I would do multiple styles in my hair, I would straighten it one day, curl it the next, put a hat on, wear it up in a bun, like whatever. And it was really oily, but the way that you train your hair is just stop washing it, so it kind of knows how long you're gonna go in between washes, and it's not gonna produce as much oil. Not easy. You're gonna have greasy hair for a hot minute, but like I said, like even in the summertime, I feel like it's actually the best to do that because you can get away with like a lot more hats. You can get away with like wearing your hair up in really cool styles because it's hot outside. It's like you just want your hair up. Not that anybody cares to start with, but training your hair is doable. It's just not the most fun thing. And then I actually am a lover of dry shampoo, so I use dry shampoo every day. My two favorites are the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. This one is really good. I like it so much. It smells heavenly, but I've actually been reaching for this one a lot more lately. It's the Way Super Dry Shampoo. These are both my faves. I also really like Navy dry shampoo, and if you want a more affordable one that is also really, really good, Batiste is like an OG favorite. Like, I've used Batiste for probably since college when I first like even learned what dry shampoo was. It's a really good one. So I'll have all of those linked below for you guys, but like these are my top two for sure. So tonight before I go to bed, I'll spray like probably the Way in my hair, and then wake up tomorrow, work out like normal. It won't look super greasy or oily. If it does, I will touch it up a little bit, and then that's really that. But this hair is gonna last me until Sunday. I will not wash it until Sunday morning probably, and it's Wednesday right now. And then the last thing that I do to really get myself ready for summer is actually avoid the sun. So I walked today in a sports bra and shorts. I've been trying to, because I mean, it's inevitable, like when you go to the beach, you're gonna be in a bikini. You could get burned. I've just tried to really get my skin ready to go to Jamaica by allowing the sun to like really touch my skin. I'm a redhead, I burn easy, like it is no joke, it is so painful. And so the other day we went to the lake and I was sitting in the shade most of the time, but I've kind of learned the older I've got, like I can feel spots on my skin that are burning. So if I will have like a patch right here on my arm that all of a sudden is very hot, I'm like, okay, I like need to apply sunscreen. So I'm constantly applying sunscreen, but I wanted to just go on a walk. There's overcast in basically minimal clothing. So I changed into shorts just so that when I get to Jamaica, my skin isn't like, whoa, we haven't been out in the sun in 2 years. What is going on? You guys, I probably went outside like 6 times last summer. My skin's just not ready. But on the days that I want to look like I've been kissed by the sun without a burn, and I actually haven't, I use self-tanner. I have a full self-tanning video up here on YouTube. I posted it just a few weeks ago, so it's like really recent. I do want to share the 2 products that I use the most with you guys. Isle of Paradise. This is the Express Ultra Dark Self-Tanning Mousse. It's one of my faves. I'm gonna do this right before I get in bed because I do need to leave it on for about 3 hours, and I'm just always like, ugh, this is the longest 3 hours. But I'm gonna use this just before I get in bed, and this video already needs to be up, so I won't be sharing that. And then to keep it extended, I'm gonna use the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Butter. It says with color correcting active to even out skin tone. Hello Golden Glow. This makes your skin just so gorgeous, and it really does give it a good glow. So I use this on my legs and arms in between my self tanning days just to really extend the life of that tan. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this prep with me video. It's totally different from what I've ever done before, like I said, but let me know if you guys like it by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so incredibly much. Don't forget, in a world where you can be anything, please always choose to be kind. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.